Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another Skin Glow recipe. This is a smoothie recipe, and for that you're going to need very simple ingredients, and those are the best ingredients in order to balance your antioxidants and also in order to give you the best and all the nutrients that you need for that glow to die for. So all you need for that is you need half a green apple. So you can chop a green apple, or even if you don't have green apple, you can use a normal apple. Then you need some cilantro leaves. So you can have cilantro stalks also. If you don't have cilantro, you can use kothimir, which is also called as dhania. Then you need some spinach or baby spinach or kale if you have. Then you need a handful of pumpkin seeds. So you need 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, and you need half amla, or you can use half a lemon juice, and you need a little bit of turmeric in this, and add all of this in a blender. Blend well and just drink it up. You can add water to it, or you can add almond milk to it. These are your two options, and both taste beautifully. And if you want it to be sweeter, you can add a small Welchie banana, or you can add half a banana. So that's an excellent sweetener for your smoothies. And try this smoothie and let me know how you find it. And you make sure you subscribe to my channel, share this video with your loved ones, and make this smoothie and tag me in it. I'm waiting to watch it.